Mercedes AMG GT Black Series, brand new off the shelf. It's stock at the moment. We got the under trays off. We're going to listen to it in a second. I have not heard good things from it already. Well, I'm not happy with it, Ben, because I think it sounds rubbish, because it doesn't have QuickSilver on it.
So bad.
That's slightly embarrassing. You just heard that with the OEM system on it, and then with the system completely removed, and with my trained ear they sounded pretty similar. This car has the flat plane crank. It also has two turbos, primary catalysts, secondary catalysts, and OPF delete filters. Not delete filters, OPF filters. From there is where the customer wanted to work from, the exhaust system. And that's what you heard was removed. So basically, if you want to make one of these sound better, you've got to take some of the secondary cats out and the OPF filters to really open it up and try and get some more sound out of it. These sort of flat plane crank engines, they're very good for tuning and they're very good for removing exhaust gases from the car, but they have a very tonally flat sound, which, as you know from a traditional V8, which is not flat plane crank, like an old Mustang, it's a much more punchy, muscular sort of sound that we all know and love. These don't have that, so you have to work around that. You have to design something a bit special and do something a little bit more naughty, as it were. So if you do have one of these cars and you really are disappointed with the sound as much as I have been, please let us know in the comments below. Contact us and we can provide the audio solution for you and your car to really make it sound how you want it to sound. And we will catch you on the next one.